Hello, and welcome to this session where we pick one of the Power BI visualizations and we explain it to you in a little bit more detail so that you can try that visualization yourself. Today, we're looking at the tree map visualization, and we're just going to have a look at the way that you can implement that into a Power BI report. With all our Power BI reporting, we're using a data set from the Winter Glove Company, which is completely fictional. So we're not sharing anybody else's data with these. So I have open in front of me an already created Power BI report. And what I would like to do is I would like to take the tree map, and that is placed on my page. I just want to show the units sold of each of the different glove types. When you place a visualization on the page, the visualization pane has to be completed with the information selected from the data source to be able to complete it. So it wants to know what category. And if I drag and drop glove type into category, it's going to enable me to split the category by glove type. And then the values are going to simply be the units sold. When I look at that, it gives me this tree map, all different colours. It's like a pie chart, but in a square block, essentially. And when I click on each one of these, I get my data of what it relates to. I can drag the tooltips on it and it just sort of shows it up in a slightly different way. With details, this is if you want to sub-analyze something. Be careful with this because too much and the chart is really difficult to read. But I'm simply going to pick year and put it into details. And you can see each colour block is separated between 2024 and 2025 data. If we click outside the chart range, you will see that this can be used as a filter now. So I've got 2024, 2025 data. You'll see that the charts surrounding them are linked to that as a visual. So you don't necessarily have to have the same slicer because this will work particularly well for navigating the other charts on the page. So next time you want something nice and colourful in your Power BI report, something simple to read, interacts with the other charts, maybe try a tree map. And I suggest that you also edit the heading, and we can do things in here like changing the legend. We can change the colours. If you want to keep two different blues, that is in the colour scheme. And it is always squarified. You can put the space. We can put labels on it as well, which are recommended to have on there. And then I'm just going to put units sold by type and year. And that gives you all the information at a glance that is available in the other charts, and hopefully fairly easy to read. See you next time.